What if I told you the secret to success isn't working harder, but living smarter? This is the exact evening routine that transformed my health, relationships, and productivity. And it starts with one simple walk. The morning walk awakens not just your body, but your mind. Fresh air, gentle movement, and nature's rhythm. This is how champions start their day. Every step is a declaration. Today, I choose health. Hydration continues to be your foundation. Water flows through your system, cleansing, energizing, preparing you for what's ahead. Now, you step into your workspace with focus and determination. Here's the game changer. Instead of reaching for that third coffee, you choose green tea. The result: sustained energy without the crash. Small choices, massive impact. Lunch isn't just fuel, it's an opportunity to nourish your body properly. Balanced meals, conscious eating, and taking breaks to truly enjoy your food. This is sustainable success. A light afternoon walk re-energizes your mind and body. Just 10 minutes of movement clears mental fog, boosts circulation, and restores your focus. Science shows this simple habit increases productivity by 60%. Back home, yoga becomes your sanctuary. Stretching, breathing, finding balance. This isn't just exercise, it's meditation in motion. Your body thanks you, your mind finds peace. Evening brings something special. Family time around the dinner table, sharing a healthy meal together, featuring nutrient-rich fish packed with omega-3 south, strengthens bonds and nourishes bodies. Laughter, connection, and wholesome food. These are the moments that matter most. As the day winds down, you allow yourself guilt-free relaxation. Comfortable on the sofa, scrolling through your phone, you give your mind permission to rest. Balance means knowing when to push forward and when to simply be. Night falls, and you turn to something timeless. A book, pages turning, knowledge unfolding. Your mind transitions from chaos to peace. Reading before bed improves sleep quality by 68% and reduces stress by 2/3. Finally, you retreat to your room, ready for restorative sleep. Tomorrow waits, and you'll meet it stronger, healthier, and more prepared than ever before. This isn't perfection, it's intention. Not extremes, but consistency. Your health journey isn't a destination. It's a daily practice, and you're doing it right. Start tonight. Your future self is already thanking you.